One of our unique community service programs is Sensory Exploration Arts Program, C for short. C is a visual and performing arts program that meets the needs of individuals with a sensory loss. Participants not only include individuals who are deaf-blind, but also individuals that are supported by other community agencies. Each session has its own theme, and the participant has the ability to sensory explore that theme. So for example, a holiday theme where there may be pine needles, cinnamon, textures of paper, and they connect and explore that first before they complete their art that is connected to that experience. It gives those with limited communication an avenue to be expressive and creative through many forms of art. Since its inception, C has really opened up the world of art for individuals who have a sensory loss. It allows them to be creative and explore on their own terms. And from that, we've seen these development of these beautiful art pieces. This program has helped build self-confidence, awareness, and a feeling of empowerment in their lives.